We have a very important day today. Do you feel like you lack resources? Oh my god, Daniel, I don't have any coaches and I'm just trying to learn partner stunting, but there's no one here to teach me. If that's you, stop doing that. We are gonna learn how to actually use our resources that we have and be resourceful without having the proper coaching or the proper help, or just in general overall, like your team doesn't really want to progress, so you're like, how do I keep going, how do I keep being motivated to get these skills? We're going to talk about how to be resourceful in how you want to progress your skills. It's simple. You go on social media and you start posting your stunt videos on Instagram or whatever platform that's up today, if you're watching this 20 years in the future, which would be pretty cool. You put your stunting videos on Instagram so other people in the chill world can see them. Doesn't matter how many likes you get, doesn't matter how many comments you get, screw all that. This is pure authenticity of putting your stuff out there so you can actually get something back potentially. And what I mean by getting something back is maybe getting a comment that says, ooh, maybe you should try this. Or maybe getting a DM that says, hey man, you're doing really good, the stunts are looking really nice, you should try this skill and do this skill a certain way, and then do this skill a little bit different. That is what you need to be doing if you don't have the coaching staff that you wish you had, or you don't have the person that's amazing at stunting that you see somebody else have. You have to be resourceful, and the internet is very helpful in this way. Yes, I get that the people on the internet are not right next to you coaching you in your ear on every single stunt that you do, but there's another way to actually help your stunts as well. It's called copycat. Mimic, mirror, memorize. Do what you see on the internet to an extent. Look online with a bunch of other stunters and you watch your favorite one, or you watch your favorite 10, or you watch your favorite 50, and you see how they stunt. And since you've been putting videos of yourself on Instagram, you get to see how you look. So now in a non-biased viewpoint, you can put yourself and the person that you want to become, not personality wise, just stunting wise. You put yourselves together and you see yourself and this person and how you differ. When you go back to stunting, you try to mimic what that person did that made that stunt look better, and then you look at the video and see if you did it. And then you might do that in this one little piece on the toss, and you're like, yes, I did it. And then you do it on the next little piece at the very top of the toss, and you're like, oh yeah, I look like that. And then you go into the grip, you're like, oh, finally you got the grip. And then you go onto one hand and you catch it without being, ugh, and you catch it without having that exhausted look on your face, and you made it look like that guy in the video. So you're like, yes, I got better. That is what you need to do every single time you stunt. Some of you may already do it. If you want to get better quicker, you have to be obsessed with doing this. Don't message people and just constantly message. Just be respectful and just say, hey man, I love your stunts. I was just wondering if you could help me out with this one skill, and then send the video. That's all you got to do. If they don't reply, they don't reply. Who cares? Just message somebody else. Try to get help from somebody, and if that one person gives you help all the time, spread it around, go to somebody else, see if they're going to help. As long as you get the help that you need, it's okay to be a little selfish here. It's your future, right? That was one of the big things that helped me when I was learning how to stunt, and I really hope it helps you too. Other than that, have a great rest of your day, and good luck on your stunts. Bye. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere, and would I stayed up with you all night, had I learned how to save a life. Do 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 do. Oh no.